can't wait! I can't wait! Ooh, it's busy today. Hi, friends. Can you see how many friends are waiting? I really want to go on the slide. Like, right now. But there's a big, long line. What do you think Splash should do?
This is hard. Waiting is so hard, Wag. I know, but everyone else is waiting too. And look, the line is moving. But it's moving really slowly.
Excuse me, is this the line for the slide? Never wiki definition.
Splash, we could offer Shelly our spot. We've only just joined. What do you think, friend? Should we let Shelly go ahead?
Shelly! Oh my goodness, are you sure?
Totally sure.
The word chest! Today's word is patient. Say it with us, Pa. Tendant. Patient. Patient, really hard to be waiting patient in that line, even when it's hard. Being patient is a superpower. It helps you feel calm, and it helps the people around you tizzy. And then you were also generous to Shelly. 2 good things in one day. Fantastic!
Here's a trick for when waiting feels really hard. It's called belly breathing.
Ready? Do it with us.
Put your hands on your tummy like this.
Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly.
Did you feel your belly go in and out? Belly breathing. It helps your body feel calm.
Try it time you feeling impatient. 3 big belly breaths.
Amazing job today, friends. You learned a brand new word. Say it with me. Patient. It means waiting calmly, even when it's tough. You've got this. Until next time, stay kind, stay curious, and stay fantastic. Possum. See you in Coraville.